Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to 165 Allenby Road in Wellington Point. Once you step inside, you're greeted with quality, space and luxury. It gives you a warm feeling that you are home. From the dream kitchen, the high ceilings and the functional floor plan, your own private parents' retreat with the balcony overlooking the Bay Islands, capturing the bay breezes, naturally flows out to the entertainment area with your sparkling in-ground pool and room for the kids to play. Solar power, shops, transports and schools are all close by. This one is one you call home.